What's going on, everyone? Today I'll be giving you a little update on the van. You see it's all painted in bed liner, at least for the most part. I have a few rust spots I still have to fix, so obviously it's not painted right now. Still gotta take that bumper off, get down under there. I'm not really driving this right now, so I'm not really worried about it. So here we have just a stick and peel floor, white petrified wood from Home Depot. This is all a mess right now, but I mean, I'm in the middle of the build, so you know how it is. Got the interior pretty cleaned for a 78. I'll be making a custom cup holder. It's going to be the same as the normal one, just a little bit more modern. I went with a white fabric with some wood for my trim. That's really just a 5mm underlayment, and I originally was going to cover that in a burlap, but I thought it looked really good with the white. Here you see you got my little electrical stuff going on. Nothing too serious. I built this out for a little Dometic toilet. Right now it's just holding some stuff for the build. I'll be putting a curtain over here to cover up this shelving unit. And that's my 155 amp hour battery, which I quickly realized is not going to be enough for me. My Rover charge controller. Hammock. And I was actually messing with the reverse lights because they weren't getting any power, so I haven't actually boarded this spot up yet. Slides out for the bed. And these are hinged.